Okay, today we'll be opening up this Mobil 1 oil filter, number M1-206A, and this Auto Extra oil filter, number 618-51522. And you can get this Mobil 1 oil filter at Walmart for $11.34, and you can get this Auto Extra oil filter on Amazon for $6.34, or you may be able to get them cheaper somewhere else. But I got these two oil filters for free. Yep, a very generous viewer, whose name is Jeff, from Henderson, Nevada, sent me these oil filters. Thanks, Jeff. These filters fit Jeff's 2011 Chevy Impala LS. Yep, the one with the 3.5 liter V6 engine. And these two oil filters are going to duke it out. Could get ugly, folks. And when the dust clears, we'll see who the winner is. So let's get started.
It's just a matter of, you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your angle here, filtration.
Okay, let's start with the Mobil. We'll start with the box. Protects up to 1 year or 20,000 miles. If we look over here, 99% plus efficiency, and that's efficiency rating based on removing particles greater than 30 microns. Okay, let's open this filter box open and see what this filter looks like. And the date code, F03P08C1. This is a sticker. And if we look over here, it says Made in USA. And this filter has 8 inlet holes. Looks to be a silicone drain back valve. About 4 grooves there for threads. Metal core with louvers. And there's no bypass valve on this filter. And it's a nitro rubber gasket. It's pretty thick. Okay, let's look at the Auto Extra guard. And look at the box, and all it says really here is filter meets or exceeds OEM requirements. And that's pretty much it for this, for the information on this box. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. And the date code, it's hard to read. It's 073022AQ1. This also has a sticker. And look right here, it says Made in Mexico. And this filter has 6 inlet holes. Looks to be a nitro rubber drain back valve. Metal core with louvers. Also about 4 grooves there for threads. And nitro rubber gasket, which also looks pretty thick. Yeah, they stick out about the same. The Auto Extra is a little bit taller. A little bit taller filter. Alright, let's cut these two filters open and let's see what's inside. Be right back. Okay, here they are cut open. Let's get their weights. Mobil weighs 332 grams. Extra weighs 280.9 grams. Auto Extra. Alright, you can see the Auto Extra on the right. It's a little bit thinner. I'll put the measurement on the screen. Those are the gaskets. Okay, the base plates. The Auto Extra, 105.9 grams. And the Mobil is 177.1 gram. Let's take a look at these guys up close. You can see they got about the same amount of grooves there for threads. And the Mobil is a lot thicker. Look at the thickness on there. You can see the depth, you know, compared to the Auto Extra. The Auto Extra has bigger holes, but there's less of them. Inlet holes, which will probably even out. Okay, and any drain back valves. Mobil silicone. The Auto Extra is nitro rubber, but I'll show you something on this Mobil. You can see the indentations here from the inlet holes. They're pretty sharp, and from sitting in there, like squished in there, kind of indented into the, I don't know if this would eventually get worse. Who knows? But they cover the holes up nicely. The inlet holes. And so does this one. Okay, now the filter elements. Oh, and we got the spacer also. The Auto Extra has a spacer. Okay, filter element, Auto Extra, 84 grams. The Mobil is 78 grams. Okay, let's take a look at the Mobil. It's got a glued seam right here. A little excess on the glue here. A little there, a little here. And I counted 65 pleats. And this is a synthetic blend filter media with a micron rating of 99% for particles greater than 30 microns. No bypass valve. And the Auto Extra. Auto Extra has a crimp seam, metal crimp seam. I counted 54 pleats. So 11 less pleats, but they're deeper pleats though. You can see these are really deep. And I couldn't find no micron rating or what this filter media is made out of. Also no bypass valve, metal end caps, little excess glue here, but not much. Okay, and the Auto Extra has a coil spring, and the Mobil has a stamp leaf spring. Yeah, these all look good. Auto Extra, 66.8 grams, 58.76 grams. Now let's get the thickness on these guys. 0.34 millimeters thick for the Mobil. And the Auto Extra is a little bit thicker. It's actually quite a bit thicker. 0.43 millimeters thick. It's like 0.10 millimeters thicker. And you can feel it also. I can feel it. And the Mobil is 2.73 inches wide. And the Auto Extra is 2.80 inches wide. So you can see how deeper. The Auto Extra is deeper than the Mobil. I don't know. Curious. I wonder which one's gonna have more filter media. I'm thinking the Auto Extra is gonna have more filter media. What do you guys think? All right, let's cut these two filters open, stretch them out, and see what they look like. Be right back. Okay, here they are both stretched out. And the Mobil filter is 53.5 inches long, and the Auto Extra is 61 inches long. Okay, let's get the thickness on these guys. The Mobil filter, 0.97 millimeters thick. And the Auto Extra oil filter is 0.87 millimeters thick. A little bit thinner. Let's look at them up close. Filtering side, back side. And let's take a look at them under a microscope. So they look pretty similar under a microscope. You have about 24 or more square inches of filter media with the Auto Extra. And let's take a look at the rest of the filter. So the pleats are smaller with the Mobil. You can see the core difference here. There's a big difference there in the size. I'm not going to bother measuring it. You can see that. So you got coil spring, stamp leaf spring, gaskets. The Mobil's a little bit better, a little thicker. Silicone angle drain back valve, so I'd have to give that to the Mobil. It's a heavier duty base plate also. And the cans I would give, it's a thicker can, the Auto Extra, so I guess I'd give the can to Auto Extra. And you got louvers, both same thing. Now let's take a look at those louvers with a flashlight. Let me get the light off here. And let's take a look at these guys. So you can see the louvers are opened up there. Look at this one. You can see they're opened up also. Yeah, so those are all good. So what do you guys think about these two filters? And again, I want to thank Jeff for sending me these filters. And I think I'll wrap this video up. And don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. Open up an oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care. The Mobil filter media weighs 19.1 gram. The Auto Extra filter media weighs 25.2 grams.